Top 20 Fiverr Low Competition High Demand Gigs in 2024, Step-by-Step Fully Detailed Guide for Beginners. As Fiverr continues to grow in popularity, it can be challenging for new users to navigate the platform and find profitable gigs. However, by identifying low competition, high demand services, beginners can increase their chances of success. In this guide, we'll explore the top 20 Fiverr low competition, high demand gigs in 2024 and provide step-by-step instructions on how to get started. 1. Video editing. With the rise of video content, video editing has become a highly sought-after service. Beginners can offer basic video editing services such as trimming, color correction, and adding text overlays. 2. Virtual assistant. As more businesses adopt remote work policies, the demand for virtual assistants has increased. Beginners can offer administrative tasks such as scheduling appointments, managing emails, and data entry. 3. Social media management. With the increasing importance of social media for businesses, social media management services are in high demand. Beginners can offer services such as creating social media content, scheduling posts, and managing social media accounts. 4. Content writing. As more businesses focus on content marketing, content writing services are in high demand. Beginners can offer services such as blog writing, article writing, and copywriting. 5. Graphic design. With the rise of visual content, graphic design services are in high demand. Beginners can offer services such as logo design, social media graphics, and infographics. 6. Transcription services. As more businesses adopt remote work policies and virtual meetings become more common, transcription services are in high demand. Beginners can offer transcription services for audio or video files. 7. SEO optimization. As more businesses focus on digital marketing strategies, SEO optimization services are in high demand. Beginners can offer services such as keyword research, on-page optimization, and link building. 8. Web development. As more businesses adopt online presence strategies, web development services are in high demand. Beginners can offer web development services such as website design and development using platforms like WordPress or Shopify. 9. Digital marketing. As more businesses focus on digital marketing strategies, digital marketing services are in high demand. Beginners can offer services such as social media advertising, email marketing campaigns, and Google Ads management. 10. Voiceover services. With the rise of video content and podcasts, voiceover services are in high demand. Beginners can offer voiceover services for explainer videos or podcast intros, outros. 11. Data entry services. As more businesses adopt digital processes, data entry services are in high demand. Beginners can offer data entry services for various types of data, including spreadsheets or databases, using tools like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. 12. Video animation services. With the rise of animated explainer videos and social media ads, video animation services are in high demand. Beginners can offer video animation services using tools like Adobe After Effects or Powtoon Studio Pro, 2D animation software, and Presentation Maker software for Windows and Mac OS X and Linux 64-bit. 13. Online tutoring services. As more students opt for online learning due to the pandemic or other reasons like distance learning programs offered by universities worldwide, e-learning, online tutoring services are in high demand for various subjects like maths or English language learning, ELL, courses, for non-native speakers of English, NSTs. 14. Virtual event planning services. With the rise of virtual events due to the pandemic restrictions on physical events worldwide, e-conferences, virtual event planning services are in high demand for organizing webinars or online conferences, using platforms like Zoom or Microsoft Teams with features like breakout rooms or polls, surveys, integration options available during sessions, e-learning. 15. Virtual reality development services. With the rise of virtual reality technology adoption by businesses worldwide, e-commerce, virtual reality development services are in high demand for creating immersive experiences using tools like Unity 3D game engine and multi-platform game development software for Windows and Mac OS X and Linux 64-bit. 16. Mobile app development services. As more people use smartphones worldwide, e-commerce, mobile app development services are in high demand for creating mobile apps using platforms like React Native or Flutter with features like push notifications, integration options available during sessions, e-learning. 17. Online coaching services. With the rise of online coaching programs worldwide, e-learning, Online coaching services are in high demand for various topics like fitness or career coaching, using tools like Zoom or Skype, with features like screen sharing options available during sessions, e-learning. 18. Virtual reality content creation services. With the rise of virtual reality technology, adoption by businesses worldwide, e-commerce, virtual reality content creation services are in high demand for creating immersive experiences using tools like Unity 3D game engine and multi-platform game development software for Windows and Mac OS X and Linux 64-bit. 19. Online course creation services. With the rise of learning programs worldwide, e-learning, online course creation services are in high demand for creating interactive courses using platforms like Udemy or Coursera, with features like quizzes, integration options available during sessions, e-learning. 20. Virtual reality marketing services. With the rise of virtual reality technology adoption by businesses worldwide, e-commerce, virtual reality marketing services are in high demand for creating immersive experiences using tools like Unity 3D game engine and multi-platform game development software for Windows and Mac OS X and Linux 64-bit, with features like product demos, integration options available during sessions, e-learning.